The last 2 decades of mismanagement of municipal waste has plagued the city of Bangalore, putting at risk the lives of its citizens. Why? Because our administration, our government, is clueless about the solution. Now it lies in the hands of each citizen, you and me. The community at Chitrakoot decided it had waited long enough. They decided they will follow the Green Bandhu decentralized model of solid waste management. After collecting all organic food waste, the first step is secondary segregation, where we segregate all inorganic from the organic waste. We put it into processing. This is Green Bandhu's organic crusher and the dewatering unit here. The whole process is very simple and user-friendly. It does not require special skills. The organic crusher crushes the waste and sends it into the dewatering unit. The dewatering unit cuts out the most important aspect of wet or organic waste, that is moisture. So once the organic crusher sends the organic waste into this dewatering unit, the dewatering unit further shreds it, dries out the water and gives it out in this form, which is semi-dry. Green Bandhu not just helps you manage your food organic waste, it also helps you process your garden horticulture waste. This is Green Bandhu Shredder. This helps shred your organic horticulture waste. This is all the organic or food waste that came through the dewatering unit. This is 90% minus moisture or water content. It now goes through a process of mixing. We add some additives to this organic crushed waste. Once the lime powder is mixed well with the organic crushed waste, we add to it shredded dry leaves. Dry leaves are a good source of nutrients for the manure. This is where all the crushed organic waste mixed with dry leaves, lime powder, is put to compost. The composted material is put through to fine grade. This is the final result of our hard work. Fine grade A quality manure without no toxic, all organic, that you can directly put to your garden or your farming use.
We live in an apartment complex of 132 families. That's at least 100 kgs of wet waste every single day. We segregate our waste here. So while we had dry waste being picked up by BBMP or other organizations, there was still a problem with wet waste going out because we know that BBMP will not be handling that wet waste. And as we started talking to people, we realized there's sort of a detached behavior and attitude towards wet waste. Wet waste is simply food that you don't eat. The good part of the food you cook and eat, the rest of it goes out into a dustbin. So it's actually just food. That's not edible. It's irresponsible to continue to live knowing that your city cannot handle that waste, but continue sending it out of your house and hoping that it will just disappear. And we know it's not disappearing. It's getting dumped on streets, it's getting dumped in land. There are villagers who are suffering because Bangalore dumps its waste there. So we thought 132 families, we should find a way to manage this waste, and that's when we started learning about composting. I've personally been composting for 4-5 years, but scaling it up for so many people was always a challenge. And then we heard about Green Bandhu and the system of composting, which is easy to set up, even in an apartment block like this, which has not got the provision for composting. It's not kept space for it. We just found a small corner of the building. The machine is very compact. Green Bandhu is very, it's not just running it as a business, they're very passionate about composting, which makes a lot of sense for us. So their approach has always been very hand-holding. They speak to the residents. You should understand that it's about converting attitudes before you can, loosen purse strings. You have to first loosen the thought process up here, because people have a very, like I said, a very unfair and conventional view of precious manure generated from our waste. So while it's self-sustaining and we're able to make use of it, one of the nicest things is we're dealing with our waste. So we're hoping to set an example for other apartments. Like I said, these are very cooperative people, ready to set up a system that it's very, very flexible, it's very, very malleable, very modular, easy to set up, easy to install and go, and they're very, very into education. I'm very glad we've found Greenbandhu and encourage a lot more people to be responsible about their waste. And well, it's like I said, it's food you can't eat, but you can feed it to your plants.
Dry leaves lying around over here. I've seen so many people collecting all this and they're all burning it, which is harmful for our health, for children, for their future. It produces many carcinogenic byproducts of that. So instead of that, if we can all collect this, and as we are using now for our composter, if we can use this dry leaves for the composting, then it will clean up the environment also, it will save the environment for lots of pollution also. This, if we can educate the people on what the harmful effects of all burning leaves will be, it will be a great thing that we are doing for our society.
Take something from nature. Like suppose we take fruits, we take onions, we take vegetables, we take everything, whatever we find. So this composting machine helps us give back something to nature. It's called Garden City, but it's turned into Garbage City. Many cows and all have died because of this, and the vultures who eat the cows get the plastic in their body also. So it's a cycle. Predators don't get their prey, they die.
So I was initially very apprehensive about a lot of flies coming in, and also I was apprehensive about bad odor coming in. But I think the technology that Greenbandhu has, there is a way in which you can go ahead and process it in the right manner. So if you process it in the right manner, if you process it in a timely manner, I have not seen incidents of flies, or I have not seen a lot of odor coming in. So whoever is going for this kind of waste processing, I will definitely recommend them. This small contribution that we can do as an apartment. So I encourage all of you to go ahead and try Greenbandhu, talk to the folks over there, and feel free to visit our apartment. In case you have any doubts, you can also talk to me. But definitely keep your eyes open and take a good decision in favor of the environment.